Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Travel Bugby. So this week I'm after doing something completely insane. So basically I booked a holiday, which makes it 5 this year in total. And it's coming up in 2 weeks, which is very last minute. And there's a bit of a catch. I don't know where I'm going. So I'm after finding this company called Surprise Me. Basically the gist of it is that they give you a price, they'll book your flight and hotel, and you won't find out where you're going till you get to the airport, which is really exciting, but it's crazy. So basically all I know is that it's a 3-day city break in Europe somewhere. I don't even know what time my flight is at. I don't know what airline. I know nothing. Also I know is that you can exclude 3 cities that you don't want to go to or you have been. So I excluded Barcelona, Cologne and Brussels because I've been there. So it's going to be somewhere completely new. It's also my first proper solo trip. I've been somewhere traveling on my own, but it was a volunteer abroad project and I met the volunteers on site. But this one is completely by myself. So I'm spending 3 days somewhere in Europe completely by myself. And I've no idea where. I'm actually really looking forward to it. At the same time, I'm panicking because I don't know what to pack. I don't know what to organize. But that's the fun of it. You don't organize anything. They do it all for you. So it'll be interesting. If any of you guys have done something like this, if you've booked with this company or you've done something similar, let me know in the comments below and let me know where you went and was it great? I'm actually really looking forward to it. It's definitely something completely different. I'll be sure to keep you guys updated closer to the time if there's any developments or any hints that they give me. I'm kind of nervous but really excited at the same time. So if you want to keep up to date with my random surprise trip, make sure you hit subscribe and also hit the bell to receive notifications of my upcoming videos. Also keep an eye on my Facebook and Instagram account, especially Instagram. I think they're going to get first insight before YouTube, so make sure you check that out. So I will see you then for the next video. Bye!